In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to get started with Claude Code to program using artificial intelligence and speed up your projects. First, go to the Claude website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free using your email or Google account. Once you are inside, start a new chat and describe what you want to create. Claude Code works using natural language commands, meaning you can simply describe what you want using clear instructions. For example, you can ask Claude to create an HTML website, a Python script, or even a JavaScript application. The more specific your request is, the better the generated code will be. After Claude generates the code, you can copy and paste it into your code editor, such as VS Code, Cursor, or another development environment. If you need changes, you can ask Claude to modify the code, fix errors, or add new features. You can also ask for explanations to better understand how the code works. Another useful tip is to work step by step, requesting small improvements until the final result is achieved. This helps you build projects in a more organized and efficient way. Claude Code can be used to create websites, apps, automations, and many other types of projects. And that's it. Now you know how to get started with Claude Code quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.